In this video, you'll learn how to find and cancel pending orders on OKX. By following these steps, you will be able to easily manage your open orders and ensure your trading strategy remains on track. Begin by opening the OKX platform on your device. Once the interface loads, navigate to the Trade section. This is typically located on the main menu at the top of the screen, allowing you to access various trading options. After you enter the Trade section, select the market type you wish to review. You can choose either spot or futures trading based on where your orders were placed. Make sure to click on the appropriate option to view your relevant orders. Once you have selected the market, look for the area below the price chart. Here, you will find a tab labeled Open Orders. Click on this tab to display all pending orders associated with your account. In the Open Orders section, you will see a list of different types of orders. This includes limit orders that have not been filled, stop or trigger orders, and any partially filled orders. Review this information carefully to understand the status of your open orders. To cancel a specific order, locate the order you wish to remove and press the Cancel button next to it. If you prefer to cancel all open orders at once, simply click on the Cancel All option. This action will wipe all pending orders instantly, so ensure you want to proceed with this choice. Once you have cancelled the desired orders, the funds associated with those orders will automatically return to your available balance. This allows you to reuse those funds for future trading opportunities without delay.